Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frames for STORJ. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. First level we can notice is our monthly swing high here with multiple rejections, which is obvious to spot here on the monthly. We can also go ahead and plot our monthly swing low, which we see multiple reactions acting as support, which is obvious to spot here on the monthly. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly chart. So here on the weekly, what can we notice? We see a key level right here with multiple reactions, support, and resistance. And we see a reaction around the same key level here. Now, we also notice a key level right here where we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance, as support, and a long wick reacting to the same key level as resistance here. So we can also go ahead and plot key level here. So we see multiple reactions acting as support, support, and resistance. Now looking at a more recent price action, what can we notice? We see a key level right here where we see multiple reactions acting as resistance and support. We can also notice a key level here where price come down, hit, and reverse drastically. And then we notice lots of long wicks reacting to the same key level, acting as support. So multiple reactions acted as support and resistance. And right now we can see prices testing the level right now. We can go ahead and plot a key level here. Forgot to change all these. Make sure you always change the color of your key levels to the time frame you're working in. So, what do we notice? We see multiple reactions acting as support, resistance. We see a fake out acting as resistance. We see a support and a long wick reacting as resistance there. So, zooming out, these are all the key levels plotted on our monthly and weekly time frames for STORJ. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.